Hi everyone, I'm Wan Zhen from Software Engineering major, and today I'm going to present my final year project with the title of Cloning Game PCR for Beginners. In today's agenda, we'll be introducing our project's problem statement, project objectives, proposed solutions, system module and architecture, impacts and benefits, entrepreneurship opportunities, and project demonstration. A quick introduction of this project, PCR Beginner is an educational game that introduces polymerase chain reaction concepts, which PCR is actually a technique to amplify DNAs for DNA analysis. PCR Beginner contains interactive gameplay like crime scene simulation and PCR virtual labs, and it can be played on both web and desktop platforms. So why we focus on PCR? This is because PCR is essential in molecular biology, where it is used in various applications like clinical diagnosis. Besides, its complexity makes it challenging to understand through text or for a broad audience to understand. Therefore, the system objective of this project is to create a gaming software with actively learning environment that allows students from different backgrounds to learn PCR in a simple way. The proposed solution is designed based on a level-based approach, alongside with side functions like settings that smoothen the game. In the first level, users are introduced to the genetic world with animative tutorial. A pop quiz is then given to a user to enhance their understanding. Moving on to the next level, users can experience a fun puzzle game that uses the nucleotide-based pairing rules. In third level, a crime scene is simulated where users can experience real-life DNA samples collection. Finally, the fourth level creates a virtual PCR lab that lets users undergo PCR experiments. As for the game architecture is designed in a layered architecture. As we can see in the diagram, the user interacts directly with the user interface, and it is designed by using Unity engine. Meanwhile, the game logic layer controls the overall game mechanism. It also interacts with the core service layer, where it manages data and external services like social media linkage in the game. Finally, the platform layer defines the system configurations like its platforms. Next, we'll be looking at the module diagram of the project. The game is classified into 6 main modules according to their functionalities, where all the individual components can be developed, tested, and maintained independently. If we look at the dashboard module, it actually includes all the side functions like start menu, level selection, options, and pause mechanism. Next, the score module monitors all the scoring mechanisms involved in the game. The level content is then divided into 4 modules, where the Level 1 PCR Learning module facilitates the PCR learning process. The Pairing Quiz module introduces the ATCG-based pairing puzzle game. The Crime Scene Simulation module lets users to experience real-life DNA sample collection. And finally, the PCR Lab module that provides a virtual lab for users to undergo PCR experiments. There are lots of benefits from the game. First of all, it offers impactful educational experiences that help users grasp PCR concepts easier, while it also motivates students to learn. Besides, the emerging e-learning market contributes to revenue generation, like direct sales and advertisement. Finally, it actually saves the environment by reducing carbon footprints needed for physical materials. Next, PCR Beginner offers a high entrepreneurship opportunity as it is suitable for a broad range of audience like educational institutions and virtual learning platforms. With multiple potential revenue sources, PCR Beginner has the growth potential for business use. Next, I'll be demonstrating my project by using a short advertisement video. You can also visit the link included below to learn more. In conclusion, PCR Beginner hopes to simplify the complex idea of PCR in a simple way. We want to spread the knowledge not just with biology students, but with everyone. Thank you for your time. Any questions? Feel free to drop by the email below. See you next time!